Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this super easy soft glam look. It's basically a full glam face with a base, but you don't have any eyeshadow. I decided to do this look because it's super easy, especially whenever you want to be glam and have eyelashes on, but you don't have time to do the extra eyeshadow steps, you know what I'm saying? Because honestly, when I do my makeup, when I do my eyeshadow, that's very time consuming for me because I want it to be blended as fuck. I want it to look super pretty. So basically, by eliminating the eyeshadow portion of the look, you get to actually like do your makeup a lot fucking faster. Like, I did this in like 30 minutes. I probably could have done it a lot faster, but I was taking my time doing my makeup, so you know, I could have did it a little bit faster, but overall it was a pretty fast glam. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys would like to see more supernatural looks, let me know, because I tend to do a lot more cut grease and glitter and that kind of shit like that. But yeah, I did do this look a lot when I was out on vacation just because it was super easy, and I figured it would be a cool kind of video to make. I know, a little disclaimer, my hair was looking kind of shitty as fuck through the entire video, but you know that's how it be, girl. We start off looking wretched as fuck, and at the end of the day, we're glam than a bitch. So you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did like watching the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like these, let me know. Any suggestions, drop them down in the comment section down below. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you subscribing because I just love to see my numbers grow, and I know my channel isn't a big ass channel, but it makes me happy when I see a new subscriber, if I see you in the comment section. So if you have any suggestions, drop them in the comment section down below. All the all the products that I used in this video will be listed in the description box down below. But yeah, so that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video, bitch. I'm gonna go ahead and start off by doing my eyebrows as usual. I'm just taking a pair of tweezers and I'm gonna tweeze out the extra little hairs that I have. I'm gonna go ahead and brush through my brows, and as y'all know, my loyal product for my brows is the ABH Dip Brow Pomade. I kind of switch up in the shade range just depending what color my hair is. I'm using the color Caramel. If you guys would like an updated eyebrow routine, let me know. I haven't done one in such a fucking long ass time, but I would still be happy to do one for you guys. Take my favorite foundation at the moment, which is the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation. I really like how this has been applying on my skin overall. My skin has been going through them changes. I'm kind of dry, really dry in certain areas because of the Accutane, so if you guys would like an updated video on that, let me know. But overall, this is one of my loyal foundations. I'm almost out of it, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna repurchase it. Make sure to get all up in them hairlines, bitch. You do not want any areas on your forehead or any areas on your skin where you do not have any foundation. Also, make sure to get pretty good coverage on your eyelids since we're not going to be applying any eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm going to use that to highlight my under eye area. I'm going to dab a little bit between my eyebrows, some on the Cupid's bow, and then a little bit on the tip of the nose. As we all blend out our concealer, I'm going to be taking a damp sponge and just blending that all out. Make sure to add a little bit of the concealer to your upper eyelids again, bitch, because we are not going to be applying any eyeshadow. After we blended all that out, I'm going to take the RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm going to use that to set my under eye areas. This is going to prevent any creasing. Make sure to put it on the under eye and on the upper eyelid, bitch, because again, we are not going to be applying any eyeshadow. Same ColourPop concealer but in a different shade, and I'm using a little Morphe brush, spraying a little bit of setting spray. This is basically gonna bronze me up, bitch. I like using cream products because I feel like they stand out a little bit more, and since I'm on Accutane, I really can't be using a ton of powders because that just makes my skin look hella fucking dry, so I like to avoid that. Make sure to clean up your contour area. I like to go back in with a little bit of foundation just to clean up the edges, but there's no right or wrong, just as long as you blend it. I'm gonna go ahead and set the areas that we bronze with the cream bronzer, I'm going to take the Too Faced Little Black Book of Bronzers, and I'm going to be mixing between the Milk Chocolate Soleil and the Dark Chocolate Soleil. I just like how these powders work on my skin. They work very nicely, bitch. I definitely recommend them. Make sure to carve out your contour. I'm using the same powder, RCMA powder, with a little sponge, just kind of accentuating my edges and shit because I be looking square than a motherfucker. Make sure to blend all that shit out. You do not want any powder residue laying on your skin, bitch. Make a little dance. Intensify the contour. I'm going to be taking the LA Girl powder, just kind of dabbing that right where my contour hits, kind of right by my ear. Just going to blend all that shit out. So this is the trick, bitch. I set my face with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Not once, but twice. This is the first time. And then I like to layer a little bit of the highlight. I feel like layering the highlight right after you do your setting spray intensifies it. And then if you use your finger to kind of dab it in, it just kind of melts into your skin like butter. Trust me, bitch. Try this next time. This will be life-changing. Go ahead and apply your highlight wherever you like to apply it. Go ahead and put it on your ass, wherever the fuck you like. Bitch, just do it. We said we weren't going to apply any shadows in your eye, but I'm putting a little bit of the Milk Chocolate Bronzer, just kind of warming up because you don't want to have a kind of monolid lid, if that makes sense. I just like to add that to give it a little bit of definition. If you kind of tell the bronziness, kind of pulls the eye look all together. Now this is an extra step as fuck just because I'm extra as fuck. I do like to contour my nose and kind of carve it out. You can completely skip this step if you don't normally contour your nose. I just like being an extra as fuck bitch, you know. You know me, bitch. For the lashes, I'm going to be taking the Mist 3D Volume Lash. This is in the number M360. I absolutely love these lashes. I've talked about these lashes multiple different times. I do have a video where it's linked. I buy them at my local beauty supply store. Don't really know if you can buy them online, but if you live in the Arlington, Dallas, Fort Worth area, I will link it where I buy them personally. I just feel that these are super pretty. I did fuck with the Vegas nail lashes, but I don't know if I was allergic to the lash band or something. They could not stay on my eye. Like, my eyes would tear up the moment I put them hoes on. So if you have problems with those, I definitely recommend for you to try these out. These are super pretty, very fluffy, and they're very affordable. This is all a personal preference, but I personally like to apply mascara after I apply my lashes. I don't know why. That's just how I've always done it. I just find it a lot easier for me to pop them hoes on that way. So, you know, you put on your mascara whichever order you'd like, but this is just how I do it. Next, I'm going to be taking the Rimmel. This is a waterproof gel liner, I want to say, and this is in the color Nude. I like using nude liners because it helps open up and brighten my eye. So if you have small ass eyes like me, do the same thing, bitch. I'm going to be taking the same Amerzy highlight, putting that in the inner corner of my eye. This is just going to give my eye a more open doll-like appearance. Don't forget to put mascara on your lower lashes, bitch. This is a must, especially if you're not wearing eyeshadow. You don't want to be looking all fucking crazy, so make sure do not skip this step. I'm going to be using the Sephora gel liner in the shade Rosewood. This is one of my favorite lip liners. I've repurchased it multiple different times. This is a holy grail for me. I love this shit. And shout out to my sister for getting me this Anastasia lip. It's a lip gloss, but it has color to it. It's in the color Kristen. I have never used Anastasia lip glosses until today, bitch, and I am a fan. They sit on your lips so nicely. They're not super glossy or super sticky. This is a must, especially in the shade Kristen. Like, bitch, yes, come the fuck through. Step, bitch, make sure to set your face one more again because that extra spray is gonna just melt everything all together into your skin. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to watch the bloopers.
I'm gonna got out here, baby. Never knew nothing but those. No, I don't sleep, baby. You never get to me, nigga. Yeah, I don't need, baby. Got out the sun on me. That's on me, baby. That's on me, baby. That's on me, baby. My Botox is wearing off. Rolling one de más, escuchando al millón. That's on me, baby. Not on me, baby. I'm on me, baby. Straight codeine, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't need.
Is it just me, or I feel like I have dark stuff right there? Doesn't look dark.
So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any suggestions on what you would like to see next, make sure to give this video a... Wait, what?